Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare Capital One Venture X and Chase Sapphire Reserve. The Capital One Venture X and Chase Sapphire Reserve are premium travel cards offering strong rewards and luxury perks. The Capital One Venture X is a premium travel credit card that offers great value for frequent travelers. It gives you 2 times miles on every purchase and up to 10 times on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. One of its best perks is unlimited access to airport lounges, which add a touch of luxury to your trips. The card also gives a $300 annual travel credit and 10,000 bonus miles each year, helping offset its $395 annual fee. Miles are easy to redeem for travel or transfer to airline and hotel partners. It also comes with strong travel protections and no foreign transaction fees. The Chase Sapphire Reserve is a top travel card packed with valuable perks. You can earn 3 times points on travel and dining, plus 10 times on hotels and car rentals booked through Chase. It comes with a $300 yearly travel credit that helps offset the $550 annual fee. Points are worth 50% more when used through Chase Ultimate Rewards, and you can transfer them to top airline and hotel partners. The card also gives you access to airport lounges with Priority Pass. It includes strong travel protections like trip delay and rental car insurance. Overall, Capital One Venture X is better for value, Sapphire Reserve is better for premium travel rewards. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.